Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install SSL on our WHM account. Okay, go to search bar, search SSL and click on install an SSL certificate on your domain name. Okay, click on that. Next scroll down, enter the domain name, which name you wanted to install SSL. Okay, in this case I am choosing royalderby.store. Auto follow by domain, click on that. It will install the SSL like this. After scroll down, click on install. Okay, SSL has been installed on this domain name. Okay guys, next video I will show you how to install SSL from cPanel. Okay.